Hello guys, welcome back. Yes, I am not ready guys, I am not ready. Last Friday my last part came online from my Christmas blush, and yep, that's it guys, I am not ready. I'm still working on my new project, and sorry guys for the noise. And I'm not ready, but that's okay, that's totally fine. I had my wonderful Sardinia holiday, which I will tell you during the new project. And as you can see, I was just drawing a new page that I'm working on, and I thought, why not keeping you busy in the meanwhile that I am working on my new project. So what if, I'm just drawing right here, what if we make a, I call that even a contest? Is it a contest? I think it is. No idea. Why do we not make a contest so like I was telling you, I was making a new page for my new project, and why not make a contest? You create your most favorite page, or just a page that you have in mind that you wanted to do. Just make a page for me, just, well, normal, as a small one, a big one, a landscape portrait one, small one, I have no clue. You decide, small one, big, it's whatever page you like to make. Your most favorite page in any paper collection you're going to use, because you're definitely going to make it with design paper. Just finish it up and send it to me as you would send me a card. So, and I know, yep, I know shipping is not cheap these days, but definitely the price that you're gonna make, that you're gonna can win with this, is also not cheap for shipping to you as well. So is that an idea? Do you like to compete with that? Do you like to give me the effort to send me a nice page? I like to explore your pages, because I love to make one, I love to make albums, but I also love to explore a page from others. And so I thought that this would be a perfect opportunity, because I'm not ready with my next project, for you guys to do something, well, yeah, for me. I love to see them, and I hope you give me the permission that I'm going to show you here on my channel. So don't be afraid, just use your imagination, use any paper collection you like, small, big activity, small activities, simple ones, whatever you like, send it to me. Okay, so if you like to do this, then I promise you I'm gonna choose three winners. 3 persons can win a large prize, and the prize will be 3 kits of your own choice. Is that something that will worth the effort to send me this? I hope that it will be. Is it? Okay guys, we're gonna do this. So send me your page completely finished to the address that I'm gonna give you. If you are ready with your page, just send me an email and I will tell you my address in the email, because I'm not gonna public that. That's obvious here on YouTube. So is that an idea? Make your page, give me a sign in my email. The email is down below each video in the description box, and I reply you with my address so you can send it to me. And then I hope to give the winners in January. Is that a good idea? Yeah. So till 31 December you have the time to send me stuff, and then during January I will, yeah, I will show you them once in a while. And then I picked 3 winners. Okay, I think that we're gonna do that. So, yep. The page contest. I think that's a nice thought. The page contest. Is that something? Cool. Alright, so yes, let's do that. Plus I also have still a sale going on. It's gonna be worthy till the next project is going to be online. So buy 2, get the 3rd one free. That counts on buy 2 kits, get the 3rd kit for free. Or buy 2 paper packs, get the 3rd paper pack for free. Or buy 2 digitals and get the 3rd digital for free. That's my sale. Alright, that's still going on, guys. So yeah, find my email, even for the contests when you are ready, or for the sale. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon!